Hello all, welcome to our channel. Major mistakes for every website holders. Updating SEO, lot of mistakes is happening from your particular website. There is a news website, education website. What are the website you are promoting? The first of all, the website advertisement is more important with the proper SEO. I'm selecting one news website. In this, I'm uploading for one song here. The song is uploading, will be here. So no copyright purpose, all song will be keep and mute. Here, this song I'm uploading in this particular option. First of all, which category will be suitable? Like videos, without image, there is called video option will be there. There is a call video songs. In this, I can show will be two options. Go to admin panel, videos, add new video. In the video option, title, select category, video URL. In this, when I open this particular option, don't select this all option. Up to V is equal to 11 characters. This is your up to will be your channel option. Copy, paste. Complete song one is set by the notepad. Video song. Copy. Title. This much of not in video song. Description. And we can add this all features. And we can add this particular. So we can go to this particular information. Here, description. Song by Viratana. Fill in. Copy. So people asking for definitely question. What is that here? Same keyword. In this keyword, video song here. Movie, video song, cinema, songs. That I'm adding for keywords. In this particular option, we don't do any write off any images. In the video uploading time, no images are required. Why? Because video image will be default, will be selected, will be here. Once this will be selected and be done, copy the URL. Immediate do can option will be indexing the URL, your inspection, paste it. That is compulsory. You can main fundamentals or maybe follow to index your particular option will be Google and Bing Webmaster. Inspect, requesting to index, submit. Compared to the Google, Bing will be very fast. Here is the option. One error. Title too long. No need to worry. Title if is wrong, long is there. No worry about the particular title will be long. So we can go for refresh it. There is a particular option will be here. There is indexing will be going on process. Wait for the particular seconds. Process will be finished. Click for got it. Text live URL. These two options, there is the problem will be facing this. Anything will be here. They will check from the your particular option. So what are the options you will be do the particular scenario? Everything will be based on the fundamentals. We can cross your particular request. So it is going on process. It will be maximum will take for the less than 2 minutes or less than minute. Based on URL, indexing will be here. So now will be indexing going on here. Just wait for a second. It will be live. Will be test on the particular URL option. So now view tested, availability check, and mobile usability check, view test page, everything is there. Crawl properly. Google bot smartphone is successful. Indexing allowed as view HTTP resource. This all option will be accepted your particular website. You will be short content, anything, they will be show the errors will be here. Coverage option. Any errors are occur in a coverage, they will be fixed from the using coverage option on your particular Google Search Console option. So every URL will be once is done, index is compulsory important. After done index, we can go with a refresh for the particular web page 3 to 5 times. That is compulsory important. And once it's done refreshing this option, immediately you can start by the share this content will be in your particular social media platforms. We can go to this. Post it. Select Twitter. Select your Twitter option. In a Twitter, automatically will select your content. Tweet. Profile. The video will be posted by the Twitter option. This all will be compulsory pattern will be followed, but every user will be post your content. Facebook and Instagram and Twitter is compulsory important on a particular users. If any you have question about the content uploading on your particular website, you can ask me to my channel. Suppose this content can upload along with image, that also will be same procedure, but adding keywords are more important. Adding keywords are more important. Most of the things you can, what is the trending videos? Don't upload the shorts. You can long length videos, you can plan it, and that will be uploaded by your particular channel. So everything will be here. That is the most important in your particular option. Before uploading, what are the videos are done by in your particular things? Everything check and upload by the in your particular website option. Movie related by movie news, review by review, website wise news will be common one. Only without image, only video option. That is a video will be here. But writing proper URL structure, title, and description and keyword. Those you can follow your particular options. This all will be follow the conditions and increase your website traffic based on the regular videos upload option. Indexing, don't forget. If you forget any index, they will be affected by the search engine will be not optimize your link. So this is the pattern will be follow to index. Compared to the content with image, will be fast. Video will be less time, more time will be take to index your particular option. That is called, we have to do the SEO off page in a particular video. The based on that, the link will be indexing on your particular option. So if any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.